everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. So, as you can see, I have a canvas here that has been used and scraped actually twice. I was trying to do something different this morning and using my house paint, and I'm not sure what was going on with everything, but I tried twice and the paint just broke apart. It was crazing like crazy, so I scraped them both, threw the paints away. They were old paints I was trying to use up anyway. And so I'm going back to my Artist Loft and Satin Enamels base coat that I usually use. I will have all of my paints and my recipes in the description box below. But I'm going to tell you, I will be using, I have some blue violet from Golden, using that, finishing that color up. I have some copper from Artist Loft, Iridescent Gold from Golden, Amsterdam Transparent Red, and some black oxide just mixed with Floetrol right here, hoping that it will help to give me a little bit of cells. And I'm probably going to put a little bit of the titanium white in there too, because I think I might want to brighten this up just a little bit. And I'm going to blow it out and then play around with it. Maybe we'll see where the world takes me. But let's hope that things get better. It's been a rough day. So I'm going to put some music on and let's paint. So here's the final wet results. I'm really happy with this. It's been sitting for a little bit, and as you can see, it's developed more cells, and I really love the depth of these colors, the cells, how the paint has moved around. It's really cool. I like it. I hope you do. Let me know what you think. This is something I haven't done any of in a long time, using the blow dryer. I wasn't sure at first, but I'm really pleased with it now that I've got more cells in it. That really just made the difference. Look at them. They're really so cool. Look at that right there. Oh my goodness. And those colors. It's just going to get vibrant and shimmery with the metallics in there. I'm pleased. Well, thanks for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, please click that thumbs up, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.